Hello, boys and girls of Rockland. It is Mr. McAndrew with you again. Very excited. We are going to be doing addition today. So, check this out. Up until now, a lot of your addition, and here's that word addition, and here's your plus sign. Whenever you see this, that means you're going to be adding, which means you have two groups of objects, two parts, and they come together to make a new amount or a new total. So up until now, a lot of your adding has been things like, let's say, 8 plus 2. And what does that equal? You can pause the video and think about it. That equals 10, right? Or you might do 5 plus 3 equals, what does that equal? So 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 and 3 is the same as 8. Or you might have even done things like this. You might do like, let's say 9 plus 4. All right, so we have 9. If we add one more, that's 10, plus 3 more, that gives us 13. So 9 plus 4 equals 13. So today, very exciting, for the first time ever, you are going to add even bigger numbers. So for example, we're going to do a problem today that looks something like this. It may not be this problem, but it'll be like 52 plus 6. Whoa, can we do this? We can. And guess what? We are going to use the same strategies we've been learning about for the past couple weeks to help us. We've been learning about, what have we been learning about the past couple weeks? Think about that. Pause the video if you need to think about it. Go back and watch those videos if you need to. We've been learning about place value, tens and ones, right? In the number 52, we have 5 tens and 2 ones. So let's get started, boys and girls. Very excited. So right now, let's pretend that these are vanilla cookies, okay? How many vanilla cookies do we have? It shouldn't take you too long, right? Because we've been practicing this with your 10 frame flash. So we have 2 tens, we have 20, and 4 ones, that's 24. Okay, so here we have 20 plus, we have 4 more ones. Here's our 4 ones. Okay, so we have, how many tens do we have? How many 10 frames are filled up? Actually, let's not call them 10 frames today. Let's call them cookie pans, pans of cookies. Each pan can hold 10 cookies. So how many tens do we have? We have 2 tens. How many ones? Can't hear you. Just kidding. Of course I can't hear you. We have 4 ones left over. So we have 24 cookies. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so where's the addition? Here we go. Let's pretend like my friend Kristen, okay, she is making cookies as well. But she's making chocolate cookies, and she gives me some. So let's say that she gives me 3 cookies. So if she's giving me more, I'm going to want to add. So I'm going to put my plus sign. I'm going to say plus 3 more cookies. So let's add 3 chocolate cookies. 1, 2, 3. All right. So we added 3 more cookies. 3, we could say those are ones, 3 ones, because we haven't filled up another pan yet. 3 ones. So what we did was we added 3 to here. So how many cookies are in this pan? Let's count. There's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the same as 7. So now we have 20. We still have 2 tens. We still have 2 tens. But now we have to change this. We don't just have 4 ones. We have We have 7 ones. We have 7 ones. So now we have 20 plus 4 plus 3, or 20 plus 7 equals, we have 27 cookies. So 24 plus 3 equals 27. We can see that right here. Okay, let's do another one. That was a lot. I know, maybe I was going too fast. So let's slow down. Let's do another one. We can keep practicing. So let's say I get even hungry. I make 34 vanilla cookies. Okay? How many pans can I fill completely? If the pans hold 10 cookies, remember we're dealing with tens and ones. How many pans can I fill? You can pause the video and think about it. If you said 3 pans, you are correct. If you did not say 3 pans, that's okay. As long as you are paying attention, doing your best, and learning from your mistakes, you are doing fantastic and your brain is growing. So we can fill 3 pans. So let's go ahead and do that. So we've got 1 pan of 10, 2 pans of 10, 3 pans of 10. All right, so now we have, how many cookies is that? Think about it. We have 30 cookies. Okay. Or we have 3, call those tens. 3 10 pans, if you want to call them. Okay? All right, but we still have 4 cookies left over. We still have 4 cookies. So let's add those to another pan. Let's get another pan out here. And we'll rotate that around right there. We'll bring it down. We'll add 4 more cookies. So 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay. So my friend Kristen, who's very nice, again made some chocolate cookies. She's not going to give me all of her chocolate cookies, but she's going to give me a few. So let's say that she decides to give me, maybe this time she gives me 5 chocolate cookies. Okay, so let's add 5 chocolate cookies. We're going to add 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many cookies do we have now? Well, let's say we still have 3 tens. We have 30 here. But our ones have changed. We used to have 4 ones. But now we've added more. In fact, we've added 5 more. So let's go up here and add 5 more. So how many ones do we have now? What's 4 plus 5? Pause the video if you need to. Think about it. 9. Okay, good. We have 5 here and 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or you could think of it as 1 less than the full pan, which is 9. Okay? So now we have 9 ones. And we still have 3 tens. So we have 30 plus 4 plus 5 gives us 39. We have 39 cookies. So 34 plus 5 equals 39. Awesome. All right, let's do one more. Whoa, this time I got crazy. I went crazy. I made 63 vanilla cookies. I love my vanilla. Maybe I should be called the Cookie Monster, not the Math Coach. Okay, so let's put in our 63 cookies. We got 10, count with me, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Wow, that is 6 tens, or 60 cookies right there. 60 cookies. Whoop. All right, but we still have some ones left, right? We have these 3. So we'll put the 3 here. Actually, let me erase that for a second. Give ourselves some space. Okay, so we have 3 more cookies coming in right here. So let's add in 3 more cookies. 61, 60, count with me, 62 and 63. Okay, so we have 6 tens and 3 ones. Let's move me over here. Let's move me up here. Whoa, looks like I'm floating around. Woo, that's kind of fun, right? Okay, so we have 3 ones. All right. Now let's say that my friend Kristen, again, so nice, gives me, this time she only gave me 2 cookies. Maybe she's not so nice. Anyway, she's very nice. She gave me 2 more cookies. Fantastic. So let's add 2 more cookies. 1 cookie, 2 cookies. We had 2 more ones. So we added plus 2. So boys and girls, what is, let's put me over here in the corner. Okay, what is 3? We have 3, 1, 2, 3, plus 2 more gives us 5, right? So now we have 5. So we now have 5 ones. We still have 6 tens. Okay, so we have 60 plus the 3 plus the 2 gives us 65. All right, so we are at the end of our lesson today. I want you to see that you can take tens and ones, right? And you can add, if you have some ones, you can add a few more ones to increase the ones, and the tens can stay the same. Next time, we'll do this again with base 10 blocks. All right, boys and girls, it was great to see you. Thank you for being here and doing your best. If you have questions, always feel free to reach out to your teacher. Remember, be safe, get outside, it's getting really nice out there, and be kind, especially to your family. All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.